Welcome to JH. In this guide, we will explore how to clear a 21-day PayPal payment hold and the actions required once that time frame concludes. To begin, navigate to the PayPal homepage by opening your web browser and entering paypal.com. Once the page loads, find the login button at the top right corner and click it to proceed. Now, provide your account credentials by entering your email address and password. It is important to verify these details for accuracy, as incorrect information will prevent you from accessing your dashboard. After entering your info, click the Login button to enter your account. Once you are logged in, move over to the Activity section. This is where you can view your recent transaction history, which is a vital step in understanding the status of your funds. Within this menu, find and click on the All Transactions link. This view provides a full list of your payments, including any that are currently marked as on hold. Carefully review these transactions for any specific alerts or notifications regarding the hold. PayPal generally explains the reason for the restriction and offers instructions to help you release the money. This information is crucial for guiding your next moves. After you have identified why the hold was placed, address the issue directly. For example, if the hold is related to account verification, ensure that you submit all the necessary documentation. Closely follow any guidance provided by PayPal to resolve the situation. In certain instances, you may need to contact PayPal customer support for additional help. You can access various support channels, such as email or live chat, through the Help menu on their website. Explain your specific situation and ask about the status of your funds. The support team may offer further advice. Once you have followed these instructions, there are ways to prevent similar holds in the future. Developing a positive selling reputation is very helpful. This involves keeping open communication with your customers, ensuring that all orders are shipped out quickly, and confirming that payments are processed without delay. Regularly updating your profile with current information also helps establish a reliable account, which reduces the chance of future holds. This concludes our walkthrough on lifting a 21-day PayPal hold and the steps to take after it is removed. By following these methods, you will enjoy more consistent transactions. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.